Attention Bitcoin holders, there is a major candle that is getting closed today and you need to watch out for that candle if you want to know which way Bitcoin is flowing. Also in today's video, we are going to take a closer look at the short-term interval and what could be some of the trades in Bitcoin that we might be taking. So stay tuned to this video and find out more.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram and join our family. The link for that is given in the description below as well as in the pinned comments. Also, make sure you join our Telegram announcements channel where we keep you up to date from all the real-time happenings from the world of cryptocurrencies. Now, let's jump on to the Bitcoin charts. So first, we are currently on the Bitcoin USD 6 months chart. So each of these candles actually represent 6 months time period, okay, and in about 5 hours and 55 minutes from the time I'm recording this video, we will be closing the 6 months candle, and there is not such a great news for us in this particular candle. This candle right here is an inverted hammer candle. As of now, inverted hammer candles are known to be the trend reversal candles, just like the hammer candles are. So for example, this was a hammer candle that we had back in January 2015, and from there Bitcoin went from all the way from $250 to all the way up to $20,000. So these are very powerful candles that we have. Now in general, the inverted hammer candle is found at the bottom of a downtrend, but we are not in a downtrend, right? We are in an uptrend currently as far as the 6 months candles are concerned. So if we get a trend reversal, then probably the next level of support on the 6 months candle is down at about $14,000. That is where we got these two candles peaked out. That was January 2018 as well as the July 2017 candle, as well as these two candles on the January 2019 and July 2019 got the resistance from. So this candle has the power to actually take Bitcoin all the way to $14,000. Now Bitcoin currently is at around $34,640. If in the next 6 hours we get down to about $30,000, this will turn into a gravestone doji candle. Now a gravestone doji candle is a trend reversal candle as well and is typically found at the top of an uptrend. So for the next 5 hours, we need to keep an eye on the Bitcoin price and hope that it stays upwards of $34,000 approximately. If we are able to close above, let's say around $35,000, $36,000, $37,000, then this candle will not have too much of significance and will be a normal candle. But if we tend to go down from here, then will be a major problem for us. Now let's jump on to the Bitcoin 5 days chart, and I want to show you the Gaussian channel on the 5-day chart. So we had discussed about the Gaussian channel in one of our videos, and we told you how the Gaussian channel actually acts as a quicksand, and once we get inside the Gaussian channel, it absorbs the Bitcoin prices for at least a year approximately. So currently, let's see where we are. So we have actually entered the Gaussian channel now, and we are bouncing off this range, which is currently at about 32,628. We had 2 bounces already, but if we look left on the chart, this level has acted as a good support for us, but the chances are that we might soon go and test the bottom layer, which is currently at about $25,200. That is very possible. And one more thing on the Gaussian channel is basically once we are below this Gaussian channel and you are looking for consolidating Bitcoin for the long term or for the future, that proves to be a great buying and accumulating opportunity. So you need to stay subscribed to our channel, because we will keep you up to date from all the happenings on the Bitcoin Gaussian channel as well. Now, when we have entered this, so we entered this right on the 15th of June candle. Okay, that was about 3 candles back. So 15th of June we have entered this, and if we are to assume that we stay in it for a year or so, then probably the June of 2022 is something that we can expect that we might again go and exit this Gaussian channel. But we need to keep our eyes stick to this chart, because we will have to see what it holds for us in the future. Now let's go to the daily chart, and that is very interesting that is happening on the daily chart. On the daily chart, let's plot the RSI. So what we are seeing in the RSI is, since January 2021 we have actually been forming a downward pattern. Do we see this? It is actually forming a downward pattern. We peaked out at about 88 or so back in January, and then we have continuously tested this level and we have been getting rejected. So we tested it again in February, in March, in April, in May we did not go much closer. This was kind of a fake out. Then we went again and tested it back in June of 2021. That was on the 15th of June. We got rejected, and as on today we got rejected by this upward trend as well. So if Bitcoin has to make a decisive move to the top, then perhaps this will be very, very helpful, and if we tend to break above it, then possibly we can go and test the levels of around 80 or so. Now let's zoom into the RSI, and there's a critical level that we would like to highlight here. So let's quickly zoom into this. So the level of 53, if we look left, has been acting as a strong resistance, and in the past it has acted as a strong support as well. So in the short term, if we are to think that Bitcoin has to go higher, then 53 is the immediate level that we need to look at. 53 has acted as a resistance back in 18th of June. Then it acted as resistance here as well in June again. And if we just look left, it acted as resistance here in 2019, in 2020. January, it acted as a support. Again here in May 2020 it acted as a support. So the level of 53 is another very important level for Bitcoin on the long run perspective. Now let's jump onto the Bitcoin 1 hourly chart and see what are the short term trades that we can take and what are the short term trades that our premium members are taking. So currently we are on the Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and this is the futures chart basically of Binance. So if you are unaware of how to trade on futures on Binance, then we have made a video telling you about it. You can click the description below and you can find that video as well. So on the 1 hour chart, one of the very important things that we are seeing right here is that we have been forming a descending or a falling wedge. Okay, a falling wedge is known to be a very, very bullish pattern. Now the important thing is that we, as I'm recording this video, we have actually broken out of the wedge, and the next candle is very important because we need to test the top level of the wedge as a support, and then we can proceed further. If I just pull out the moving average ribbon, then I'll see what are the next level of support and resistances. The next level of resistance is at about 34,930, which is the 20 period moving average, and above that is the 35,154. What could be the top target for this rising wedge? For our premium members, the target is still at about $36,400. So that is a move of around 5%, and with a 10x leverage that can give you 50% return. So that will be a great opportunity. But one of the very important things is you need to be an experienced trader in order to trade in futures and take very less leverage. Okay, because I get to know about people who took more leverage and they got wrecked. So take leverages as per your capacity. If you have any doubt, reach out to me. I can guide you on that as well. So what is the thing that we are looking at? We are looking for this next 1 hourly candle to treat this line of the top of the wedge as a support, and then we can move further. But the volume will also play a major role. In the previous hour, the volume was actually better than the last few hours that we got, right? So that's why we got a breakout. Now the important factor for this hour has to be that the volume has to be somewhere at par with the last hour or more than that. Then we will be able to sustain above this rising wedge, and then we can think of taking a long. Now our premium members have not yet taken it. They are waiting for this confirmation as well. Now apart from this, they are also waiting for a confirmation for a few other altcoins as well. So if you want to be a premium member, do let me know, and you can reach out to me on Telegram. The link for that is given in the pinned comments. So that's pretty much it about this video on Bitcoin. These are the few things that we are noting at this point of time. And for the short term trade, you need to keep an eye on this rising wedge. We had tweeted about it as well. So if you are not following us on Twitter, make sure you do that, because that is where we keep you up to date from all the real-time happenings from the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. The link for Twitter is given in the description below as well. Also make sure you subscribe to our channel, because if you subscribe and press the bell icon, you will be notified with all the new videos that we are making, and we are making new videos every day, and we will keep you up to date from the happenings of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And make sure you join our Telegram channel, wherein you can discuss with our family members and with me as well for what about your portfolio or any altcoin you want us to analyze, or any Bitcoin that you would like us to analyze. Make sure you comment below this video and let us know which is the next coin you would like us to analyze, or what is the thing that you would like to cover in our upcoming videos, and we'll do that definitely. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Please like the video, share it across your friends and family, give them the opportunity to change their lives. Crypto has the power to change people's lives, and I know it for sure. So give them the opportunity to do that. Also, more importantly, take very good care of yourself. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye for now.